Pitching is one of the most important skills you'll need as an entrepreneur because you are going to be pitching and selling all of the time. Not just to investors, that's a small fraction of your pitching effort. You'll be pitching to customers, employees, recruits, potential partners, even to your friends. During this jolt, you'll learn a framework for structuring a compelling story that your audiences will want to hear and respond to, regardless of who you're talking to, the situation you're in, or the time available. You'll have a consistent story you can tailor for live presentations, your website, emails, and anything else. My name is Theresa Lina Stevens. After 20 years of helping technology companies stand out in crowded markets, I can tell you from experience that most pitches fall short of their potential, not because the person or the concept is weak, but because the pitch doesn't engage the audience. The purpose of a pitch is to elicit interest and some kind of action from your audience. Instead, many pitches are boring, or confusing, which is common with technology pitches, or the pitch turns people into skeptics who doubt the viability of the offering. Your goal is to get the audience to want more and to take the next step. That's it. You do this by getting them emotionally invested. If you succeed, they will want to take positive action. This is a mindset shift that's very important. You're not trying to throw it out there for them to catch. No one likes to have things thrown at them. Instead, you're trying to entice them to listen and want more. In fact, if you think about it, pitching is an inappropriate metaphor. Instead, think fishing. Bait them, hook them, and reel them in. An enticing pitch has 3 parts. At its most basic, your pitch first needs a dramatic storyline. This is the core structure for the content of your pitch, regardless of the length, audience, or situation. Once you have that, you incorporate provocative hooks. You use these to grab and keep your audience's attention for the duration of your pitch. The third layer is an engaging delivery. Not just the way you talk about your pitch, but also the sensory packaging that brings your pitch to life and makes it memorable. These are the 3 components that lead to emotional investment and to a successful pitch. This jolt contains a section on each. By the end, you'll have a new, more compelling version of your pitch. Once you become more proficient, you'll see what a powerful difference great pitching can make in your career and day-to-day life. Enjoy.